Yeah, I still got more to do. I want to cut this root all the way out. See where it goes up here? It wraps around the sprinkler pipe and through there. I want to get all that out. And even though, you know, if I cut the root off way up here, supposedly the rest of the root is not going to do anything, but I don't want to leave all that stuff down in there. And now, see, it's sunny outside. I took my pliers, I kind of mashed this back, and it's got enough slop. I turned the water on. I'm not gonna do it right this minute, but I turned the water on, and son of a gun, I do have water here. I do have water over there. It wasn't going very hard, and I thought, could it possibly be that there's another root here? Well, as I was looking at this stuff over here, water was just pouring out down here, and I had traced all this before to make sure the water line wasn't kinked somewhere around here on these roots, and I tagged the pipe right there with my hammer or something. And so now, and see, that was gushing up, and because of that, it wasn't allowing enough water pressure, as much water pressure as I knew it could get, until I put a coupling in. And I just happen to have one, and see, this is designed to push up from here to about there, from there to there. And so I'm going to put that right in there. I'm going to cut out, oh, I don't know, half an inch, 5/8 of an inch, and then I cleaned off the dirt as far as I could, allowing it enough flex, because once I push this one in, then I'm going to have to raise this one up high and then wedge it down. And I used to try to think I'm just going to screw it in, and it seemed to work, but the last time I did one of these, I just wobbled it back and forth like that with my hands, and it went right in. Okay, my video disc is getting kind of full, and I want to make sure I have enough to finish this. And so I'm not going to actually show you how to do that per se. You know, I'm just going to cut it out, and this is all I'm going to use is hacksaw, blade, and my gloves. And I'll get that, and then I'm going to turn the water back on, and I believe I'm going to have plenty of water for both of these sides. And I don't think these have had much water for who knows how long. I mean, that root has been there for a long time. Okay, didn't just happen overnight. Okay, so it could have, we've been in this house at least 7 years, maybe a little longer, and it might be that we've never really gotten hardly any water over here or over there until I fix this, man. Hey, so okay, so my next step is I'm going to cut that, put that in, and then I'm going to turn the water on and show you what I got. And here's the other thing, your drip irrigation main line, I know this one happens to be 3/4 of an inch. Well, they have 3/4 inch, 5/8, and ½ inch. ½ inch and 5/8 has a different type of coupling where you fit it over it, and it's like a compression type fitting. But for the 3/4, I was looking for those at the store. I couldn't find them. This is what I found. Okay, and I know this is going to work because I've done that to another line here at the house. Okay, so look around at the store and make sure that when you cut off your line, don't just think, oh yeah, I'll just get something, and come back and find out you've got another trip to the store because you didn't get the right size coupling. Okay.